what's up? What's good people? Welcome back to yet another exciting episode of Ikota and Chill podcast. And I'm still your boy, Ndana Mamakasana, 1804-011. Mona mo Johannesburg, you are Tebari Busabe and Moso, Tumpanakamo DK. This is Ikota and Chill. And then, Misasayona, Incostratum Kitchen, Kitchen Stratum, Indian Fatinishi, Bubis, Kamisila, but in Cabazon, the Javisabanto. Moshunum of Piano. Of it. Thank you for tuning in and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. But Yaz and Hambing it and Shazin Vutile, Vutes Vutamalangabi. But see me, Bona.
Yeah, but I get Nile energy. Nile energy. From a Salmonani, Baladeli Girls or Izungo, aka Baza with the voice, and you're here on Carter and Chelsea Pete up with Andy Le Sabona
Bunjani.
Siapilujana.
Ngibulise nabo lapha ekhaya. Mina Andy Le Ngoma. Ngivela kwaMhlanga kodwa ngikhulele eThembisa ngaseKatlehong.
Eastern stand up.
Hey, Eastern. Shout out. Now I'm like Aslam, like David Tony. No, my vela saying ngakhulela ngakhona, but umndeni niyaza ngithi. Yeah, David Tony lapho makasana.
So who is Andy Le?
Andy Le is more of an entrepreneur.
Okay.
Ngikhule ngumuntu ophandayo. Ngikhulele estradini njengoba umfowethu asho naye azibiza umuntu wasestradini. Ngikhulele estradini ngiphanda. And then later on I discovered ukuthi izinto zami bezingahambi kahle. So later on I discovered ukuthi kufanele ngibe umuntu ophile esontweni. And hence I had to convert from estradini to kuye esontweni.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I can tell ukuthi istrati usambile and uphandile because I mean the shit that you pulled up in here. Yeah. They told me that Umkhulu is coming and he's riding a bike. I was like, oh, that's cool. Hey, but I didn't think Umkhulu was gonna pull up in a bike like that. So I'm cool. Yes. No, Umkhulu. So Umkhulu, jokes aside. You mentioned something ukuthi hence you bolokuphanda kanje izinto zakho bezingahlangani. So I'm guessing ukuthi that had to do with you being accepted angazi sipho sakho like no umuntu lo ukuthi uye kahle kahle nalempilo kumele uyiphile. Like how was the discovery? How did you get to the discovery of saying okay damn this is what was meant to happen? Kumele kwenzeke kanje that's why bekwenzeka kanje.
Yazi ngifike kabuhlungu angifuni ukukhuluma manje ngifike kabuhlungu it was the saddest part yempilo yami because bengingekho into wrong engiyenza but everything behamba no matter how hard I tried ukwenza izinto but bezifike ekugcineni sibhede la makumele zifuthumale khona ziyabheda. For an example, I would come up with an idea, something great, and then eventually leyo nto ingangisebenzeli mara umunye umuntu a duplicate le idea imsebenzele better than mina engize ne idea. Yeah, so it went on mina bengicabanga ukuthi mhlambe man kunento or mhlambe into kunesandla semfeno or something. And then it went on. I remember this other guy who told me ukuthi hayi man wena unesiphiwe siso but mina bengazi ukuthi and then but akazange ngitshela ukuthi sik affecta la and then nawe emele uphile so ukuthi lento ikhule kuwe. So I only knew ukuthi nginalento but then bengazi imigomo nemibandelo nendlela yokuphila ukuze njalo lento ngingahambisi mina nayo siphazamisana sikwazi ukuhambisana kahle into zami nazo zambi.
So what is a calling to you? How do you define what a calling is?
I would say calling into ezifike usukukhethiwe. It's not something that you choose.
Okay.
One for one. Whether uyayifuna or awuyifuni marikhona. Awuyikhethi and yona inandaba nokuthi uyayivuma or awuyivumi. Yona iqhubeka ngomsebenzi wayo. I think noma ulandela iBhayibheli you've heard a lot of sad stories which ended up kugcine kuyi-tourism mnandi because those individuals bebakhethiwe. Some they didn't know, some they didn't want anything to do naleyo nto leyo because it sounded as into enzima. Because yes, really kuyinto enzima kusinto elula kakhulu inzima, hence abanye abantu bayabaleka and so forth. And then coming to umuntu onjengami, mina bengazi ukuthi problem yami, mina bengizibhekela ibhizinisi, ngibheke nokunye ebengikwenza emaceleni, and bengikuthola mara kungangiphumelelisi. Kulula ukukuthola mara kungangiphumelelisi, angazi noma uzongizwisisa. Yeah, and then mhlambe nasemakhaya ababukeli baningi abantu umuntu uyile esikolweni. It's either you are too qualified or underqualified. Mara wena kunanto elingene wena. Ubathi uthi uyazama uphosela ama CV wenzani akulungi. Yeah. And then not only kulokho i-affect into eziningi relationship wise, abanye abathola abantwana, abanye abathola imisebenzi, abanye nje abanalakhi. Yeah, it's because of kusuke kunalento esazifihlile. Yes.
So like, is it possible ukuthi say nakho ke I'm called and I'm chosen, and then I accept the calling, and then I practice, I perform, and then everything is passion, everything is good because vele ngiseng acceptile izinto zami zangivelekela kuba kahle. Is it possible ukuthi nithi sengifuna ukushiya phansi, I don't want to practice anymore, ngisayifuna lento le mina as in sengizoyenza kanje?
Not that I know much about your question, not that I can answer much, but one thing that I can tell you, this thing ugcina udevelop uthando for you, because akusena la ungabalekela khona, ugcina ungana choice. So ukuthi uzuze ufike la ekutheni uthe mina kulento ngiyaphuma. Yes, kunabantu ababa nama challenges. Umuntu athola ukuthi nginawo ama challenges, mara kunokunye okay ngidlulisile bonke bengilayela ukuthi ngikwenze, ngenzile lokho romunye athi mina ngathwasa ngenzani mara izinto zami azilungi. Kusuke kunezinye izinto ezi-underline, because this thing it has more to do with lineage yomuntu. When I say lineage, that's why umuzi umuntu athi abogogo nabomkhulu, uthola ukuthi kunezinye izinto ezingazange zalungiswa kahle abogogo nabomkhulu zisakubamba futhi nawe, except the spiritual part, your lineage mhlawumbe ayihlelanga kahle.
I get you loud and clear. It make perfect sense.
So what's the difference between a traditional healer, a sangoma, and a nyanga, and where do you fall in all of these three?
Ithi ngithi nyanga umuntu olaphayo.
Okay.
For one.
Okay.
And then isangoma yindlela ongena ngayo ebunyangeni.
Okay.
Yeah, kushuthi
Level 1.
labantu abangene kuwe.
Okay.
Ungenwe ngubungoma.
Okay.
And then omunye angenwe ubunyanga, hence they always say amagedla noma herbalist in English.
Yeah.
Labo abantu asuke abaningi bakhona abathwasi.
Okay.
It just happens alele bamtshela ukuthi hambe endaweni eso yenza this, hambe enkonzweni eso wenze that, and then ekugcineni lento iyahlangana bese bamthume bathi mhlambe aye emntwini othile kunezinto azomphakamisela zona.
Okay.
And then lezo zinto ke yize zakhala ubunyanga bakhe.
Okay.
So konke mara mina ngizwisisa ukuthi ubunyanga lo kodwa kuyahlukahlukana mhlamba ngazo noma ngiphendule kahle or ngaphinda futhi.
No, I understand.
Ngiyabonga.
I get you loud and clearly. So enye into engifuna ukuyi-understand engiyibonayo nokuthi nabantu abaningi abakayitholi ukuthi you just mentioned ukuthi like konke lokhu ne like ubunyanga, and I've heard stories yabo ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi mhlambe nakho ke, so ngifuna ungitshela ukuthi iqiniso vele lento ukuthi nakho maybe ngibizele ukuthi kumele ngiyothwasa ne ubungoma kumele ngiyothwasa, and then in the midst of all of that ngithi okay yazini ngifuna ukuyithatha lento le but in a different way. Is that very possible? Ngithi okay I do want to, but rather than maybe ngithi ngebungomeni ngiyothwasa lapha ngithi hayi ngizoya esontweni yabo into ezinjalo. Is it possible vele kumele mangabe ngibizele esontweni kumele ngisontweni straight, mangabe ngibizele kuphi kumele ngilapha straight?
Ngizokuphendula ngokugcwele, ngizokuphendula kuyo yonke indawo. Hence ngithi awukhetha ngithi, and then uyathola ukuthi mina ngibizwele lokhu nalokhu angisho. And then if wena ubizelwe ukuthi uyothwasa, ukuthwasa it's only into of a period. mhlambe bathi 6 months, 3 months, kanjalo 9 months or a year or 2 years. And then bese kuyadlula. Then if you want, it's still usazodonsa kanzima. Because kunento obizelwe yona ongakayiphenduli. Noma ungayiphendula ngokwasenkonzweni ushiye okunye futhi still kuzokubangela inhlupheko. Ngoba still awakaphenduli.
Okay, I get you. Ngiyangiphendulile.
And then what's how did you find out that you had a calling? What happened? What made you say?
Okay, hence mina there were signs.
Okay.
But I couldn't connect ne life yami. There were signs kunezinto ebengihamba ngizibona. Ezinye mina bese ngicabanga, for an example, I had dreams. Okay, before I understand la maphupho kuqale ngokuthi kube khona ubaba wangitshela wathi hayi man wena unento so hayi mina ngifuna ibusiness phela ngifuna kulunga ibusiness kube nomunye mama futhi naye angitshela athi hayi man wena kunento so ayibeke ke lo mama kula bese ngazi ukuthi uyibeke kangcono kunalo yababa mara naye angangichaziseli ukuthi okay impilo yakho sekufanele ukuthi uyiphile kaso but angichaziseli ukuthi hayi kunento ekhona man la kimi ene nawe unayo. Then later on I met this other lady angeke ngidrop igama lakhe ngiyiswa umfowethu and umfowethu wathwasa ozemva kwami wathwasa yena and then wangisa lo sisi ke uye wangichazisela ngempilo yami wangichazisela nangu stagnant be life yami nokuthi izinto zami zonke ngizidonsa kanzima yonke into ikhona mara zihambi lula zihamba kanzima and then ke from lapho ke I started ngaye esontweni then mangifike esontweni ngaqala ngakhona ukulandela amaphupho wami bangibonisa ke sengibona ukuthi okay akusho ukuthi mina ngiphuphi ngiyaboniswa and then that's when I was shown ngisesikolweni I was shown mhlambe kwesinye isikhathi being accepted by abantu abaphezulu mhlambe your celebrities mhlambe abaphathi your president or premier somebody kanjalo yeah then that's when it went on until I could understand ukuthi okay nangisuke ngiphuphe so without asking anyone I would sit and then kube ngathi kunomuntu ongichaziselayo in my mind ukuthi hayi man le phupho belichaza lokhu nalokhu because yes they talk to you but they talk to you in riddles abakhulumi nawe direct ukuthi suka la uye lapha but they will talk to you in riddles and then it takes you to learn. That's when the part yokuthwasa ngoba ubuningi bethu sisuke sithwasa silele and then lokho kwenzeka kanjalo ebusuku kuba nezinto abakuchazisela zona ukuthi hamba uye endaweni so kwabanye kunabanye ababoniswa balele umuntu abone mhlambe imoto ifika ichayisa umuntu amaziyo and then bese leyo nto iphindi yenzeke futhi emini so yiko ukuboniswa kusuke kuhamba ngazo izindlela ezinjalo.
So ungitshela ukuthi why is it that like it's kunabantu ukuthi like you can give me something as on like you can make me like fortune, a lot of fortune, but why is it esikhathini inspired you get ukuthi the people that practice and help other people get this fortune but they don't normally take or acquire such things for themselves? Why is it important or why is it mandatory ukuthi esikhathini esiningi abantu abaningi abekho that flashy but bakhona bona but then majority why is it?
Ukuphendula ngicabanga ukuthi umbuzo wakho ungibuzile bese ngiphendulile le question but ngizobuya futhi ngiyiphendule ngicacisele kangcono. Kunalento uyibuzile usayibuza futhi but uyibuza awukazwisisi ukuthi ngibuza the same thing. Uthe kimi kunomuntu bathi esontweni uze uzothatha nesikhwama sobunyanga yena akhetha ukuthi ufuna ukuhlala esontweni uyaboniswa loyo muntu is very powerful mara kana solution for impilo yakhe. It's because naye kukhona ukuthizana akushile emuva uyaboniswa nakasesontweni akekho umuntu obona njengaloyo muntu loyo kodwa impilo yakhe ayihlangani ngendlela bekufanele ukuthi ngabe ihlangana ngakhona. Mawungakhumbula futhi ngeke ngakuphendula ngathi kunesiphiwo kune lineage. Kuyenzeka ukuthi esiphiweni uqinile mara in your lineage mhlambe ubaba zangalobola waceda konke uyangizwisisa so lezi zinto ziyaclasha nasezihamba uzoyichoose hamba zonke ziclashe and then uthola ukuthi umuntu wakho uyasebenza is very powerful but into zakhe zihamba slow ezedlozi siyaphusha mara ezakhe personally azihambi kahle.
Okay.
Okay, so where do you think the world is spiritually now, 2025?
Yazi ngifuna ukubuyela ekutheni kunento eziningi ezasalela emuva kithi siyabantu. Hence it was very difficult nami ukuthi ngithole ukuthi kwenzakalani because nasekhaya ke umuntu okwazi ukuchaza lento engiyiyo.
Okay.
Because kunezinto ebesisithe thina siyabantu asibeliveli kuzo. But for certain reasons sesiyabuyela manje sibelivela kuzo. For an example, if ungabheka abantwana bonke abazalwa kulamalanga wanamhlanje babizwa ngamagama esintu instead of wesilungu. Base sekhona abo John nabo Jacob. Wabona abanawo lawo magama ongahlangana nayo uthi John yakwakhe. Yeah, nguthaphela ngisu John. Yeah, so now izinto seziyaqala manje zibuyela
back to the roots.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's where we are spiritually.
Ngicabanga kanjalo ukuthi sonke impilo manje iyajika ibuyela ngendlela ebeyidalelwe ukuthi bengakhona. Yes.
What's your take on the? I saw something there on the net. It's a map. Yes, Africa was actually turned upside down. Yeah, and then it's a mangipera because it's like damn, yeah, we have in Mpumalanga. We are actually the first to see the sun, so there's no way we'll see if Sipant Singabona Ilanga. When I watch it, that's my take. I felt like it's true. I believe actually that it's true. I would like to hear.
Angazi ukuthi ngizokuphendula to your own satisfaction, mara ngizothi kuwe kuningi esatshontshelwa kona. Kuningi esahlukaniswa nako ukuze sigcine sesisala nalenhlupheko esibhekene nayo namhlanje. Why is it that we don't inherit much but inherit inhlupheko? Omunye nomunye inherita inhlupheko kushuthi inherit isikoloto esingacedanga ubabakho, inherit isikoloto esingacedanga umkhulu instead of ukuthi inherit iplaza elinenkomo. So there's a lot that was stolen from us.
True.
And then for me to steal something from you, kose ngithatha ingqondo yakho ngiyibeke somewhere. When you start focusing on that whilst I'm stealing something from you. So it might be ukuthi lento ibekayo iqiniso ngoba we see today there's certain things ezigeza khulunywa ubaba uVusimuzi Credo Mutwa esesizibona zenzeka namhlanje and leyo muntu bekakhona ukubona izinto ebezizokwenzeka. So enebaningi futhi abanaleso siphiwo futhi ebekanaso abangazange bathola the same recognition anayo. Yeah. So it might happen ukuthi lento ishoyo na iqiniso iyenye yezinto ezenza ukuthi sihlupheke siyama Africa.
And what's your view on how everyone is a sapoma, everyone has a calling, even with kids? What's your view on that? Is there some fakeness? Is it real? Is it us going back to the roots, like you said? Like it's a lot. And the fact that before those things were very sacred. You know, you wouldn't even see lelo lapi lelo washining. You understand? You wouldn't even bump into, like, even when someone goes and twasas, they were very sacred. But now it's public knowledge. It's social media. People back hlahula on a live on TikTok. So what is your view on that? You know.
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi okay umbono wami ngowami umbono iphiwo zethu azifani.
Okay.
Mhlamba ngazinonga ngibheka ngumuntu nje nangena lapho uzibonela umuntu. Yeah, and then mhlambe kungendlela mina engiphiwe ngakhona angeke mhlambe ngagxeka ukwenza kwabanye abantu nokuphiwa kwabanye abantu.
Okay.
Njengoba nami mangikhuluma kanje ngikhuluma nge life story yami. Angikhulumi based on what I've seen komunye umuntu yabo. So I wouldn't say much ngaloku ongibuza kona. Anginalwazi oliya kangako ene sometimes ngicela nje ukuthi i-comment yami lapho ngireserve just ukuhlonipha abanye abantu.
Okay, noted.
So when in your practice, like how far deep does it get in terms of the things that you can do?
Ngicabanga ukuthi nesintu siyasho ukuthi umuntu ufunda azafa. So I wouldn't say khona engikwaziyo mhlambe nangikhuluma kanje khona ongilalele ekhaya uthi hayi mara lo uyakhuluma nje but 1 2 3 akayazi mhlambe ngizofika nakhona lapho. So umuntu ufunda I can't measure what I have.
We learn from birth to death.
Yeah, so but umuntu ufunda ya nami ngisafunda kusesekuningi ngikufundayo kuyaye kube nezinto ezintsha engiboniswa zona nezinto ezintsha engitshelwa zona.
And how has religion dented the spiritual world in terms of tradition, in terms of Islamic Christianity, all of that? How has it dented what was meant to, like, Christians maybe saying demons and all of that? How has it dented?
I said to you, there are certain things I wouldn't say for irrespect, to maintain respect, and then to also maintain balance, because ngakhuluma ezinye izinto lana ezizongenza ukuthi emndenini singasabhekani kahle kanti khona umunye okholelwa kuloko khona umunye okholelwa kuloko. So nami expect ukuthi bahloniphe ibelief yami ne-experience yami nento engiyiyo, so nami ngizohlonipha okunye ngeke ngikhulume ngenkolelo yomunye umuntu and then ngizobuya futhi ngithi somehow religion and spirituality, they are crafted somehow. I'm not saying they are crafted, I'm saying somehow, because kunemimoya ethile for yona ukuthi ikhuphuke noma ikwazi ukusebenza kufanele kube nenkonzo, and nenkonzo uyakhethela uziyeli la wena kufuna wena khona. Ungakhulela enkonzweni ethile bese bathi hayi kahle kahle wena lapha siyabona uhappy na ulapha, mara thina besifuna ukuthi uye kuleya inkonzo yala ekhaya yabomkhulu nabomkhulu ile esone so. So I'm sorry, I'm not going to drop any names just out of respect.
Okay.
That is dope. As I was saying, cool. I wanted to ask you a question, but I'm trying to remember it. A follow-up question on what you were saying, and I really needed that because how has it dented? And you mentioned out of respect. So, I mean, no, I actually wanted to tell you, can you please enlighten like us and our viewers and everybody at home the importance of not just accepting your calling and practicing, but the importance of maintaining a little balance, respect, not just yourself and other people, but respecting the gift, that responsibility that you have to give that gift.
Impendule ngizophendula sengiphendulela naphambili ngoba ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uyapi. Ungasabi into ongayazi.
Okay.
Because a lot of people are struggling because umuntu ubaleka into angayazi. And one, and then two, find yourself. Zithole wena ukuthi mina ngumuntu onjani, because now sesiphila a norm ukuthi no vele kujwayelekile ukuthi intanga zami ziphila kanje. Zithole wena ukuthi umuntu onjani and accept yourself. And then it is then impilo yakhe izohamba ngendlela wena ebekufanele impilo yakhe ihambe ngakhona, because some of the times silahlekiswa izinto esizithole zikhona noma ezenziwe estradini sizithathe sizifake ekhaya, and then kube yiko ukulahleka kwethu. Angazi noma ngiphendulile ku enough.
I get you. So enye into engicela ukubuza yona ne apart from lezinto bosozimentioniyle in terms of ukuthi mhlawumbe kungaba ukuthi maybe ngiyahlanganisa izinto zahlangana, but then isiphetho sakhona asihlanganisi yabo, asivuthisi lamalanga bengwabhekile. Apart from lezo zinto, eziphi ezinye izinto like ezincane that maybe even our parents at home like we could look at, or nami engazibheka maybe ukuthi ama signs that I don't see, which hey man actually yabo, or maybe like ungathi ungangienlighten ngawo like okay ezinye izinto ezikubonisayo ukuthi mfethu there's actually something that you ezincane izinto ezikanje.
Kaningi ezinye izinto ziza ngokwamaphupho, ziza from eBhayibhelini mawungakhumbula most people bebabona ingilosi kuphi emaphupheni, so into eziningi kuwe empilweni zizoza ngamaphupho. And another thing, nokulahla amasiko noma i-culture noma amasiko kunala adlala khona i-role enkulu. Hence I spoke of lineage yomuntu. Amasiko wane role enkulu ayidlalayo. Kunabanye abantu abaphazamiswa kungenzi 1 2 3 iyayenziwa kibo because they've converted or somehow. Or because they've moved to elokishini sekuyinto zasemakhaya. So kuningi nje ukuhamba hambe kube ihiccup empilweni zabantu. And nokwamukela sometimes kunabantwana abanye akekho normal because unalenda unezinto azibonayo ebusuku unezinto ezinye ukhona ukukutshela ukuthi hey man into esone so and then ayijula wena hayi and then only to find out lento lena kuya igcina ilimaza lo mntwana niyalazi iqiniso omunye asho ukuthi hayi kunogogo ofika ebusuku athi
And then what are some of the obstacles that you faced when accepting your calling?
Yazi having to choose.
Okay.
Kunempilo bese ngijwayele nokukhetha impilo entsha and ukadapta towards impilo entsha kunzima.
That's why it's hard to let go of addictions, habits.
Yes, kunzima sekunezinto ozijwayele nami khona engakakhoni ukuphuma kuzo fully yes kancane ubalekela kuzo but knowing very well ukuthi leyanto leyana akufanelanga ukuthi ngibe kuyo kodwa ngoba ngumuntu ngisenyameni.
And to do a follow up, what are some of the good stuff that happened when you accepted your calling?
Ayikho into emnandi njengokusiza umuntu noma ukubona umuntu asizeka especially umuntu ebekaxakekile. Omunye uthi ukhuluma naye ungamphanga next. Nithi nikhuluma kube umuphe impendulo ezimthathe 10 years azifuna. Omunye ubona indoda endala ikhala. Ithi yazi ngintonsile mina bengithatha ukuthi mhlambe izinto zabantu nani kanti nayi into ena kusinto enkulu incane but bengayitholi impendulo yaleyo nto leyo. Ingipha isatisfaction enye strong kakhulu nokubona impilo omunye umuntu transforma not because of kunento wrong ayenzayo but because kunamanye ama forces ebekabambe impilo yakhe.
So if you were to look back now and look back to who you were before on your journey to kuquka uzithola
ngiyakuzwa ukuthi thini ngikuphendule
please.
Wena kahle ngibuza ukuthi would I choose to let it go and go back to the life that I used to have?
Would you right now la ukhona now looking back to who you were and not knowing what you know now, what is that one thing that you wish someone had come and told you besides ukuthi uzofika la ukhona, like that one thing maybe yabo leyo nto nje a1 ungisho ngathi before yonke into
ngicabanga ukuthi ngolwazi lwami noma ngokubona kwami njengoba ngichazile ukuthi umuntu ufunda.
Or what would you tell yourself knowing what you know now utshela leyo muntu leyo if wahlangana naye nokuthi njami la uza khona ave nje into kanje
into nento beyinesikhathi sayo ngiyamukele yonke into edlulile and nami ngazixolela namaphutha engawenze bengangahambisani nalento esengiyo namhlanje ngazixolela and kune experience ebekufanele ngiyigain so that ngibe stable manje because without layer experience engiyigainile bengizosibamba kanjani stability because I had to know ukuthi into wrong nangiyazi ukuthi I wrong I had to taste it and then so that ngingasabuyeli kuyo ukuthi no man lento mara I wrong. Yeah, so all the experiences nanto ezenzekile empilweni yami bekuyisifundo esizongenza ukuthi le ndawo enguyo manje ngifike ngihlale kahle nginethezele ngibe comfortable ngalento esengiyo namhlanje and ngikwazi ukuzamukela.
And what are some of the values that has been Nyanga like taught you as a person, stuff that you did not know when you didn't know that you had this calling?
Ukuzamukela nokufunda ukuzixolela nokuzithanda nokuthanda abanye abantu not based on a position ukuthi mhlawumbe uthanda umuntu ngoba kunento mhlawumbe ozoyibenefita. Yes, we know ukuthi umuntu oneinto zakhe uyathandeka but then you learn to balance izinto balance nabantu and wamukele wonke umuntu ngoba namhlanje kuzofika umuntu onemali kusasa kufika umuntu onganamali empilweni yakho but then you have to treat them
the same.
Yeah, the same and you have to give them the same attention and the same assistance.
So do you believe reincarnation is true? It's real.
Okay, if I have to talk about reincarnation, umuntu nomuntu nengilosi abekelwe yona and then ngiyacabanga ukuthi ingilosi ehamba nawe akusingilosi mhlambe eyazalelwe eGibhite kodwa kuba ingilosi eyala ekhaya njengoba nawe uzisho ukuthi mina umlando wami ngivele endaweni enje umuntu ozoza azokhuluma nawe kuba yiyo ingilosi kuba yisithunywa sakhe uzoza azokuchazisela ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ungenzele lokhu nalokhu not only to umuntu one calling nje sengishela wonke umuntu abanye abantu avuka athi yazi ngiphupha ugogo angibonisa lokhu isn't it reincarnation?
It is.
Do you believe that we have the Illuminati?
I said I won't drop. Uyangiphusha.
I'm trying by all means.
No, mara ngizohlala endaweni yami.
Okay. Yes.
So angifuni ungena endaweni yomunye umuntu. Angifuni ungangisuse endaweni yami. Ngicela ukuhlala la endaweni ekubhilonga kuyo. Then ngingayi endaweni yabanye abantu. Ngoba nami angifuni ukuthi omunye umuntu angixeke into engiyiyo.
All you want to know is that do you think it exists? Yes or no? You don't have to say ubani uyinto or ini. You just have to say yes.
I believe Christianity
it exists or no,
yes.
I don't. You know.
Do you believe that?
You don't have to.
Inkolo ziyahlukahlukana. Nayo ngiyacabanga ukuthi inkolo la ikhona.
Okay.
Yeah, so kunabantu abakholela kuyo.
Trying to be diplomatic. Trying to be very. So what's your view of the industry, like the entertainment industry and spirituality, and how you can see that you'll find that a lot of also celebs are finding their calling also.
Yeah.
You know, like there was a phase where I think in a year every month you find out, you know.
Mawunobizo mawunganala unalo.
Okay.
So angeke ngisho ukuthi lo unalo lo akanalo umuntu nomuntu nobizo lwakhe.
Okay.
Yazi ubizo it's something very broad. One can become a teacher, a very good teacher. Very good teacher, yeah. That's a calling. One can become a doctor. Asindisa abantu abaningi kakhulu. That's a calling. So you'll have to understand a calling. And then on the entertainment industry and so forth, izinto nezinto zine season yazo.
Okay. Cats.
No, ngisacabanga phela yonke lento lengiloyilalela phela ngithi phela must take it all
Namhlanje
in.
kuma deep thoughts.
I must take it all in. I must take it all in. I like how you remind me of my high school math teacher. He was like he's Christian, so that's one of the things that he one layers on about, because I think I'm so curious about. It was like like these were his words ukuthi ubonga a Christianity inkolo yakhe ukuthi one of the things that he's grateful for ukuthi after athola inkolo yakhe and I choose it as a way of living imbalansile ukuthi it kept him disciplined. Now he ukwazile ukuthi as reserve angasajumpeli kwezinye izinto. And then with him saying all of that, he was like, why I'm telling you this now and I'm telling you as young as you are is because I want to tell you ukuthi uhlale wazi ukuyekeni phambili ukuthi there's certain things that you're not supposed to eat. Like there's certain information that you're not supposed to know. There's certain information that it is there sharp but ayidalelanga wena.
Yeah, kunendawo umuntu ngichazile nami ngathi mina indawo yami ngizophelela la. Angeke ngene entweni yomunye umuntu and angifuni ukuexperience. I-sharp nangiyekela injalo nginakele eyami indawo ngoba ngaze ngangena endaweni yomunye umuntu eyami indawo yona iyosala nobani. So again, you know ukuthi knowledge is power. And ukungazi sometimes kuyalimaza. You know, so sometimes ukwazi kwakho ukusiza lo bekangazi. Uyayibona. And there are certain things that come with the discipline. We can be talented as soccer players and but not all of us will be successful because of lack of discipline. Yeah.
I like that.
And how was the acceptance of your calling within your family and friends, since you were doing something else and then now the next thing? You're coming, you're inyanga now.
Yeah, ekhaya ubhuti wami ngichazile ukuthi wathwasa before me. Wathwasa and then kwalandela mina ngaye esontweni, and then it was easy because now and then usisi wami nayo lento si3 kumama, and then no mama yethu unayo lento. But iway yayo ayilingani, iyahlukana, mara we were able to assist each other through and through because besifila the same way yabo bekungekho why ngithi kube lula kwesinye isikhathi it's because we had the same belief. Just imagine if benginalento and then kube nomunye onenkolo yokuthi lento inobudimoni noma it's satanic or demonic uyabona ukuthi beyizoba nzima. So but then we would be able to help each other through and I'm the one who struggled a lot than the two of them. Yeah and he very.
Why do you think you struggled a lot? Is it acceptance?
No, it's because bengidliwa into engingayazi ukuthi yini ene I knew ukuthi ngine potential yonke into mangicala like I had all the ideas uyabo but then into zakhona ziphelele emoyeni zonke ziphelele emoyeni and angizange ngaphiwa ukuthi ngisebenze ngiphiwe ukuthi ngizisebenze so my life depended much entweni engizicabangayo nengiziplanayo it depended a lot ku planning ukuthi okay think plan so ukumove nezinto ukadapta towards izinto but then nothing was happening. Yes izinto bezithembisa bezithembisa but ekugcineni izinto zakhona zingaphumeleli.
So would you say, have you ever had a time whereby like manje the people that you were with, like maybe some of your friends, loved ones, about maybe kubenalize into besiziba ngathi ziyapeta and you saw abantu ba, you know, when your house was being cleaned?
Yazi kunento so nawuzokhula angeke wakhula ku comfort zone yakho. Sometimes you need to shift from your own comfort zone for you to grow. And you need to always have meetings nawe. Kube nala wena uzikhuza khona. So you won't be able to do that uphakathi kwabantu. So in a particular way, uNkulunkulu unendlela yakhe yokubasusa abantu phambi kwakho so that you can focus on yourself and work on yourself and become a better you.
So when that was happening in your life, were you then aware of that, or yenzagele wabona after would say actually when that was happening, that was when God was doing that for me?
A lot of things won't make sense mausa semncane, but then the more you grow up the more it makes sense. Oh, okay, the reason why 1 2 3 bengakwazi ukungisiza it was because I had to go through this thing for me to become like this. Not ukuthi bengafuna ukukusiza but uNkulunkulu bengafuna ukumenza akusize noma bengafuna ukumenza ukuthi akufake emsebenzini noma bengafuna ukumenza ukuthi because once waba ne-enabler you won't be able to focus because now you'll rely a lot kuloya muntu. Remember reliability creates dependence.
That's true.
So now if loyo muntu loyo njalo kuba nento akusiza ngayo then you won't be able wena ngeke ukhule. Yeah, ngeke ukhule wena. Yeah. So yeah, injalo.
And just to do like a follow up, what is the importance of isolation, especially when you are in the gift element? You know, the importance of being by yourself and introspecting and just isolation while finding and navigating.
That's why I said to you earlier on, Guti, you need to have meetings with yourself. And mind you, I'm not alone kulo mzimba. Ngishare nabantu abaningi. So nabo bafuna isikhathi sabo. So that's why abanye baba nama-moods. Baba nama-mood swings nje abangawazi abangakwazi ukuwa control. Leyo muntu usuka azifuna eyiwani ngaleso sikhathi kanti kusuke kungalesikhathi ane meeting neyingilosi zakibo.
What's the maximum number of abantu can one have with them with a kid? This is like ever since when I'm mhlambe uqalile ukupractice ukukho ukufundile. What was that number, the maximum number to kid, like mina ever since ngazi makuthiwa umuntu ke like uthiwa unabantu abaningi sebaphelele bafike kule number le angazi ngizwe bathi kunomuntu odlulele ube nengilo sezingane.
Khona ezinye izinto engengikwazi ukuphendula zona fully because ngizobe ngikhulumela omunye umuntu. I can only talk based on my own experience and I can only talk based on ilento le leverage yami. Angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngidlulele komunye umuntu and angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngitshele ngomunye umuntu ngoba ngizobe sengene intweni zabanye abantu. Ngizogcina la mina ngikhona.
So wena unabantu abangaki?
I wouldn't say much, or I wouldn't. In actual fact, angifuni ukuconfuse. Angifuna sibambe ihlali simple uyayizwisisa, and then angifuni ukuthi singene deep kakhulu like confuse. Yes, kwesinye isikhathi ubona lokhu, kwesinye isikhathi ubone lokhu, kwesinye isikhathi uzwe lokhu, kwesinye isikhathi uzwe lokhu, mara okunye kunesikhathi sako and kwenzeka ngendlela yayo. And angeke ngithi mina mhlambe bayi2. I said to you umuntu ufunda until then namhlanje ngizothi kuso kusasa sekujikile kuso, you know.
And what are some of the challenges that you face in business and your calling? Like, let's say then a client comes in and then the next thing you can sense something, or like are there challenges?
Yeah, yazi ithi ngithi mina yonke into iyabalance. Mhlambe nangabe lento ekhona ibona ukudlula la bekufanele iphelele khona, then somehow awusekho normal. Angithi kunenyama kunesimoya. Yeah, so lezo zinto ziyabalance. Leswa kungafanele ngihlale kakhulu enyameni, leswa kungafanele ngihlale kakhulu ngale. So kunama limits kuyo yonke lento.
So,
and then in terms of business or finances, you know, we always do things with an aim to benefit financially. All of us, we always do things with an aim to benefit financially. But finance won't come until you are matured enough. Say if financing is shingene, would I be here? Say if finance is shingene, would I still continue? I would feel good. Marlene ngathi yangibambezela. Musikhoba na imali seyikhona kahle kahle. So sometimes nayo ifinance iyabalansiwa. Lo ivulelayo ukunika ngokulingene. Akakuniki ngokweqile ngoba nangakunika ngokweqile you'll grow a big head and uqala ungasa focus, and then so unaka imali, unaka ama trip, unaka ama holidays, so adopta enye impilo ongadalelwanga ukuthi uphile yona.
So manje, in terms of nyazu social before what you like we learn from birth to death. So when would you say la ukona manje with all your years of expertise and practice, do you still have challenges between like channeling, like let's say yabo like manje vele kwenzeke kube leyo nto ukuthi or manje so yazi ukuthi even if manje kumele ngiyibone manje lento, but I know how do I navigate and move out of maybe la melancholy maybe, or you know, I don't know.
As umuntu you must always mind your own business. Khona la ngingafanelanga ngene khona unless you ask me to.
Yes.
Yabona. So khona into engizoyibona ngidlulisa ayifuni mina. But khona enye into efuna mina. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mr. Angeles. What advice would you give like someone who hasn't accepted or who's not sure, or life is not going well, you know, what advice, where can they maybe start?
Yazi ukufuna, that's why umuntu nakazongena mhlambe usebenza ngabantu noma usebenza ngomoya noma inyanga or isangoma uzothi ngizofunisisa. So na umuntu ufunisisa ngawe, and then ungasabi into ongayazi. If abanye abantu basurvive kuyo wena uzohlulwa yini ukusurvive, uyabo. And don't rush into things. Ngathi mhlambe mangabe ngihlulwa ile department yama relationship, sengithi ayikonje mina lento yenza ukuthi nginalento sengiyagijimela into kanti mina ngizihlushela nje i-relationship. Yes ikhona lento mara bebangakazange bathi ngiyokwenza 1 2 3 ngayo until somebody angitshela ukuthi the relevant person angitshela ukuthi ehamba uyendaweni eso uyokwenza into eso, and then it is then so ma umuntu zithole zimamele zifunisise eneyenzisisa kahle, because once you do something wangayenzi kahle izokwenza uzonde lento yenzile because awuyenzanga kahle.
Yeah, that was deep. Kat, say bye to our people.
Well, before I can just close it off, thank you for the knowledge. It's not much often whereby we get to have abantu abafana nawe abafana nathi labo bakwazi ukuthi bashakele ulwazi, you know, and we live in a njengoba besinokhuluma namanje we are at a time, or in a time whereby it's like people are becoming more spiritually awakened, spiritually aware. So I feel like it is actually mandatory ukuthi we have more people aware of this so that they don't get led into the idea of believing ukuthi inkolo yabo is actually something that's crazy. People need to know ukuthi singabantu asifana. Yabo ukhona ozoyenza into kanje ukhona umuntu ozoyenza into. But into okhethelwe yona yakho awuhlanyi, you know. So thank you for also you taking the initiative and taking your time ukuthi usonare nawe ukuthi kuyazini asibenze sonke. Don't just be with your artist and your art only. Now I have something I can. So for now, how can they get hold of you? Maybe should they be someone who was interested or who had something they picked up and they might need help? Or how can they get hold of you?
Mini number yami is 081 385 0146. And then ngicela ngizoyiphinda futhi 081 385 0146. Ngikhulume ngami, so na ungifonela or noma uza kimi, iza kimi ngawe, hayi ngomunye umuntu, hayi ngoba mhlambe ngithandana nomuntu so uwenza so ngifuna impendulo. Like I can only assist you based on you, yabo, and then ezinye izinto ke ziza kamuva zizolandela, but then kuningi ukukhona emhlabeni, baningi abantu abahluphekile, baningi abantu abangana impendulo. Umuntu angasazi athi yazi ngihambe konke yonke indawo ngihambile angisazi ukuthi ngenzeni. And and then umuntu angangithola kuyo leyo number and then singakhona ukuthi sisizane.
Thank you. Adios amigos.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn on the notification button. And shoot.